Welcome to the in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just select the screen where you want to add the widget. Just hold for a while after that your device home screen, and then you'll see here the widgets icon. Just click here one, and now we can see all of the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar application. We can add the calendar schedule or full month view. For example, let's use the schedule. Just click once on the widget and you will add it on your home screen. You can move this widget here on the screen, just hold it and drag it, for example here to the left side. If you want to move the widgets also between the screens, that's not a problem, just hold and drag it, and we can create the new screens with the widgets. That's also so simple, just hold and drag the widget to the right side. If you want to resize the widget, you should click here once, hold once just for a couple of seconds, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's so simple. And just to remove it, you should hold it and click here to remove icon, and then confirm your action by click here to remove again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.